Hello everybody, this is Rory from permakai.nz. Welcome to our unboxing of our Mondo, the walk-behind tractor produced by the Rapid company in Switzerland. Kind of exciting, just the first walk-behind tractor of its type in New Zealand at the moment. So here we go, and that is it. Very clean lines. The wheels are driven by a hydrostatic pump, which gives you virtually unlimited range of speed. You can have it at crawling, walking, whatever speed. There's the manual, which comes inside with the plug spanner. Two manuals: the manual for the machine and the manual for the engine. The Subaru Robin engine, well packaged down. Didn't move. It would appear not to have moved during the trip. So there you see it. The little red handle you're looking at on the left hand side of the handlebars is the dead man's handle. It basically, when you release it, as it is released now, it stops the machine, puts the brakes on, and kills the PTO. On the other side is the throttle. It's a twist throttle. Okay, on that little box you see me just undoing now contains a wheel nut spanner, tube spanner. Not the best. The implement turns out not to be long enough, so that I prefer to use a socket set. It's much handier to use. So yeah, I'll lift the handles up in a minute and show you the handlebars. On the left hand side is the lever, which you can pull out and move, and then the handlebars have about 10 or 11 adjustments. The extra wheels we received, we asked for a wider wheel. That's the spacer which goes beside the engine. Those wheels allow us to have that 80 centimeters apart, which means they'll run down beside our beds rather than the standard, I think it's 65 centimeters, which will run in the beds. So it's a great, for us it means that we won't be compacting our beds as we're using the machine. So there we go, lift the whole machine up. That's the lever I was telling you about that locks the handlebars, and there you go. Quite a compact, well, a very compact machine. The red dead man handle is quite obvious as it's sticking up there. So I'll put the handlebars down a bit. That's the differential lock, which locks the two wheels together so that the power is applied to both of them at the same time, and they move together. It prevents sideways movement of the machine or getting stuck in mud or whatever. Between it is the PTO, little switch for the PTO takeoff. There's the throttle I was telling you about. It's a twist grip. Twisted that way for reverse and twisted the other way for forward. Very variable speed. It won't actually, you have to hold in reverse. You don't have to hold it as you're going forward. There's the handle to release the handlebars, swinging out to 30 degrees both sides. And then there's a safety on it, which means you can't actually swing them right round without releasing the safety. So it's that allows you to walk down either side of each bed, so that you're not trampling the bed as you're going along. So walking around, giving you a good view of the machine. It's it's the first of its type in New Zealand. It's a very compact machine, as you can see. The 9 horsepower Subaru gives more than enough power to drive the PTO that you see at the front. PTO is direct driven. The wheels are driven through a hydraulic pump, and it's the hydraulic pump that gives you that total control over the speed. There's no gears, it's just as far as you turn the twist grip. So, thank you.